You guys. Oh my god, is that a bug? Is that a bug? Today we are opening up an old slime package. And when I say old, I mean like old. My lovely husband, Raul Squishy Bunny, put together a lovely mystery box for me of different slimes that we had laying around the house. I'm not even sure what's in this box. I just know that it's really old slime. A lot of the times it shouldn't go bad unless stuff got inside the container. If it wasn't sealed, then sometimes they rot. Who am I kidding? Slime could definitely go bad. Oh my god. No excuse. Still thick, but it's molded. I'm ready to reminisce and see what we got. Ooh, okay, that is a lot of slime. Why the hell does this not have a lid? Okay, oh my goodness, what the hell is this? Yo, this is hella old. Oh my god, is this me? This is from Slime Bash. Holy crap. I haven't seen half of these in like literally over a year. I'm looking at one right now that I know I reviewed like 2 years ago. This is literally dirty. This is a lot of slime, first of all. Like usually I open up a package and it's like 3 to 4 slimes. This is literally like endless amounts of slime. So first things first, let's open these up and see the condition that they're in. This is the first one I saw and like I don't even know when the hell I got this or what slime it is. It doesn't even have a lid. Where is this from?
We're just in the garage.
I literally don't even know if this was somebody's slime or if like we made this and we let it out and to dry or what the heck, but it smells like cherry. Do you guys see this? It looks like it was some kind of cloud slime. Girl, I don't even know if this one's fixable. This is old. This is literally like one of those like mystery box. Open it up and show you a bunch of slime, except it's all, I was gonna say trash. I don't want to call it trash. It's just all really old. Let's go with this one. This one doesn't look bad whatsoever. This is from the Bomb Slime. Spooky homemade ice cream. I remember this. This has to be close to 2 years old. This looks like it held up really nicely. And this was actually one of my favorite slimes. Oh, this is gonna be messy. These videos are so messy. Oop, definitely melted the house. This is not glue, like activated glue. This is actually clay. It smells incredible. Also, just poking this, I could tell that this is some kind of glue-on base or I don't know what, but it's like really thick. I don't think this went bad at all. I just need to activate it. Oh, but the thickness of the glue, like look at that. Completely melted, but look how thick that glue is. There is, oop, just broke the container. I'm gonna put this one to the side. As I go through the box, I'm gonna pick out like my faves or ones that I think would be fun to like reactivate, and then we'll reactivate them later. So this one, I wanna activate again. This is, I just dropped the slime. And if it opens up, it's gonna get everywhere. Oh my gosh. This is called Midnight Bones. Oh. What is it supposed to smell like? I think this might be scented with Febreze.
It's probably activated with Tide then.
Oh, girl. You guys, why did I do that? Why did I do that? Sweetie. Okay, girl. Well, I mean, there's beads in here that I literally just pulled out. They all came out together. Clearly, it's completely melted. I literally just possibly ruined my table. If it is from Slime Bash, which I believe it is, it's close to 2 years old. Somebody come get her. My nails might look a little dirty the rest of this video because I'm an idiot. Ooh, I'm gonna go back here because I know I've played with this slime. In fact, I definitely did a video on this. I could definitely tell it's completely melted, but the condition looks good. Momo girl, your slimes are it. Okay, as I expected, melted. Please do not judge their slime by this video because this slime 1000% is 2 years old and it smells bad. Oh my god, I can't even look at it. Like, look at the juice. Oh, dude, open a window like dead. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, the clay. I didn't think that I would be able to see exactly what clay was used. This has sat for so long that I could literally pinpoint the type of clay that was used for this. Okay. Oh, sweetie. I'm not even gonna dig in this because it just looks like literal water underneath. Clay glue, water. That's how much they've separated. Dude, this was a really good slime though. Next up, this has no label. It looks really dirty. This might have just been, I don't know if this was a gift or I don't know what it was, but you found it
outside.
Yeah, I literally like, just by touching this, I have like a texture on my hand. Looks like there's a little bit of green in there, yellow. Oh my God, is that a bug? Is that a bug?
Let me see.
No, this can't be a bug. It's a bug. It's a bug.
It was closed, but like it might have been slightly open. Who knows?
There's a bug. Like a big bug. Are you guys seeing this? Like that is a literal bug. Okay, no, I can't. Dude, take it out. Like I literally can't. I literally did not even pay attention to the mold on the side. I'm sorry. That is clearly mold. That poor bug. This is so sad. But that stuff over here that you see, that has to be mold. Green, brown, and there's like red stuff in there. Yo, is that another bug that was like rotting or what? Oh, get the bug out. Get the bug out. I'm gonna get the bug out. This is so sad. How long was it in there? Yeah, that's totally mold. What the heck is that? No, it actually still
It's actual moldy slime.
I'm trying to figure out like where this came from because it did not have, the lid doesn't have a label or anything at all. I think what happened was maybe it had like a little crack and then a bug crawled in and literally just died in the slime. This is definitely the worst one. Look at this. No, but even back there I see like the green. So the green is deep. It feels like hard. It feels hard. You would think that this is like melted, but it's literally so bad that it's hard. Look. It's like a little block. I can't even look at that one. That one is so bad. Glitter slimes. This is rainbow chip frosting. This has to be like not over a year old. Which at this point I'm like, you're really young. You're like brand new compared to these other slimes. I gotta say it looks in great condition just by looking at it. Although I know it's gonna be melted. You can see. I don't know why. I thought this had like some kind of clay in it. I'm kind of like, oh, okay, so it doesn't have clay? Okay, girl. I'm glad that no moisture got in this and that it lived through a year because it looks pretty good still. Putty egg. Taro mooncake. Again. Hello, look at this. Oh, what the? Hold on, I'm kind of like, is this real right now? Because I feel like some of the slime is melted, obviously, but it's like not water. It had a lot of clay I could see. I can't even remember the last time I had putty egg slime. Look, it's not even sticking as much. Yo, what? Look at that. What? This one's old too. This is me. This was called Boo. It was nice and thick. It was a completely opaque slime. I don't know why the heck it looks brown. A year and 9 months old. Yeah, that lost its scent. That scent is not cute anymore. It was way more marshmallowy before. Now it's kind of like marshmallow barf. This is gross. We did not add clay to this. So why is it chunky? Oh gosh. Slime City B. The label like completely almost just came off already. This was, I believe, grandma's cookies or something like that. This was an event as well. We haven't gone to a slime event in nearly a year. I don't know exactly how old this is, but I feel like this one's fairly new. And by new, I mean like a year old. This was my favorite from her. Oh, it's melted. It's melted. Well, I mean, what else do you expect, girl? It still smells really good. Just by looking at this, you guys, you could see that her slushy bead slimes are jam-packed. Look at that. There's literally barely any slime to see. This is the good slushy slimes. Look at that. Okay, 2 more slimes to go. Let's get them out right now. This one is by Narwhal Slimes. And this is Blueberry Lemon Donut. Looking at this, it doesn't look too bad. It looks fairly new if I would just look at it like that. I don't know what it looks like on the inside. But this right here is the dead giveaway that this is like really old. This is a donut that this is supposed to come with. And then you look at the bottom and it says Blueberry Lemon Donut. And then you see the blue donut. And then you see yellow glitter on it. So this is the lemon blue donut. 1000% sure that this is not the shape that it was originally. This thing must have dried up so much. Like it has cracks in the back. Girl, I don't think this is what it's supposed to look like. Look at that. And it is just... Oop. I can't even break it. Oh, There it is. Okay, this is old. I know where this is from. I believe seeing Narwhal Slime Blast at Slime Mania, was it Dallas or Atlanta? I believe this is from Atlanta, which was a year ago. But I'll say this, the slime is in good condition from just looking at it. Oh, this smells nice. I feel like the ones that are about a year old, they still smell pretty good. Yeah, it looks like it has some clay. I mean, it looks pretty good. I don't see anything molding. Not too much separation of like liquids. It's gonna be hard to choose which ones. That bug one has no chance. I'm not about to activate mold. Oh my gosh. Tibble slimes, cookie dough ice cream. Oh, hail the cookie dough ice cream thicky. I love this one because it's so thick, and I do remember buying this. So this was 1000%, almost 2 years old. At most, I'd say about a year and a half. This looks great just by looking at it. I mean, look at that. It looks good. I feel like your slime rotting and just going really bad depends on like how it's at, where it's at. If it was outside with like a little gap, girl. I still can't even explain to you why some of them get like a brown color. I literally don't know why that happens, but apparently it does. This one looks completely white though. Like this looks so clean, and I know I played with this a lot of times. Okay, I will say this. Should have not judged a book by its cover. It smells a little funny. Cookie dough ice cream is a really good scent, and this smells like, I don't know, man, like it does not smell that good. Oh shoot, why is it chunky? Oh, I was like, why is it chunky at the bottom? It's a little cookie dough thing. I found one of the little balls, but it looks like it held up well, although I will say the scent, it's a little rancid. It's a little rancid. Because it was quite a few slimes in this box, I'm gonna go ahead and choose a few of these, and I'll be right back, and hopefully they'll be brand new again. Okay, so I ended up fixing these off camera. I just wanted to show you guys enough different textures. So these are the ones that I fixed off camera. This is the Narwhal slime one. This is the one with this donut that we obviously were not gonna use because it is way too dried up. We reactivated it, and this is the outcome. It smells very like lemony, almost sweet. I'm not sure what the original texture was because sometimes it does change a little bit, but this is pretty soft, and if I could describe this in any way, I would say fluffy. That's what it is. I don't know exactly what is in here. I feel like it might be a little bit of instant snow. I cannot fully pinpoint the texture. So this one activated nicely. I just really don't know what the original texture was, honestly. So I went ahead and activated Grandma's Cookies from Slime City B. I wanted to show you guys different textures. So this is the one that I was showing you how it had a very little actual glue and mostly beads, which is good because I love a jammed packed slushy slime. I will say, I think I overactivated this, and I didn't expect for it to happen. I really don't think it has anything to do with like the way the slime was made. It still has the crunch. It was just a little bit harder to activate. I know that this one was in pretty good condition, although it was melted. This is rainbow chip frosting. So thick. It feels like brand new. I'm really happy with the way this one came out because I literally feel like I have a brand new slime. This one feels like new again. Okay, I had to try to fix this one. This is the one that got everywhere, and I'm still trying to figure out what texture this is. It has a lot of like tiny beads, which I think are microfloam. I don't know what it feels like. It kind of feels like sand, if that makes sense. And I think what happened is that the slime is just so old that the beads shrunk. That's how I would describe it. It feels like sand throughout the slime. There is some slime that just dried out completely right here, but we did our best. This one from Putty Egg was actually very easy to activate. No matter how much activator I added, it came out just super soft. And that's not a complaint. It's not sticky whatsoever. It's just really soft. But it's so soft that it's almost wet, if that makes sense. It is extremely soft though, and it smells really nice. We just could not get it to fully activate, and I think it's because of the snow, not the quality of the slime. I mean, it's freaking old, y'all. Last but not least, I decided to reactivate the bomb slime. Although we didn't have much trouble reactivating these, it did shrink significantly from when I first got this, obviously. And that's because it's so old. That happens with slime in general when you play with it so much. Dang, the texture is 100% back. I remember this texture so well because I was obsessed with this slime. And she's back. The texture is back. I think this thing's thicker than ever, actually. So good. Literally never need to buy slime again. I just need to go to my garage and reactivate 3-year-old slime. I mean, I hope this shows you, you know, that like no matter how old your slime is, you definitely still have a chance to reactivate it instead of just tossing it. It feels like one of your favorite slimes. However, if your slime has mold, girl, throw it away. It's not worth fixing anymore. I'm still so shocked about that freaking bug. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I hope you're having a great summer, staying safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.